I don't know what he wants. Is that you, Max or Tupper? What are you trying to tell me? Huh? He's just pecking at my window. I don't know why. He wants something. He's flying to my window. Now he's at the front window. Boris is looking for him. It's over there, Boris. See him? See the birdie? I don't know what you want. See the birdie? Look, out there. Out there. Look out there. There he is. Oh, you scared him. You scared him. He just will not quit coming to my windows and chirping at me. Wish I knew what he wanted. That's a Baltimore Oriole. They're so beautiful. Is that you, Max or Tupper? You trying to talk to Mommy? Huh? You trying to talk to me? I love you. Oh, Boris, don't scare him. Don't scare him, Boris. He just won't leave us alone this morning. He keeps coming to the window. I don't know, maybe it's a sign from Max and Tupper. He wants something. Now he goes away, but he'll be right back. Keeps going from window to window. I don't know what he wants. What do you want? What? Are you talking to me? Hi. Hi. Hi, Pretty. I wish I knew what you were saying to me. Are you a sign from Max and Tupper? Boris, don't be mean to Birdie. Birdie just wants to talk to us. Boris, why be mean to the birdie? Why are you being mean to that birdie? Just let him talk to us.